Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone. Uh, as I told you that I will be dealing in mostly in the application softwares. Today I'm bringing to you the use of Excel. Use of Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software that belongs to the Microsoft group, and today I'm introducing to you Excel. So what I have just opened is a workbook of Excel. So in Excel, what you have to know that this one, the interface that you are seeing here, this one is called the workbook. It's called the workbook. It's called the workbook, and it contains rows and columns. Rows and columns. The columns are represented by alphabetical orders A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to. There are very many rows. Then there are very many columns. Then the rows are represented by values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are rows. So the rows run horizontally and the columns they run vertically. The rows run horizontally and the columns run vertically. Now, where a row meets a column, we call it a cell. This is why you see this box, this one. Where a row meets a column, they form a box, and that box is called a cell. Each cell will always have a cell reference. A cell reference. This cell has a cell reference, and it is referred to by each C column figure and each C row figure. So this cell, for example, this cell that I'm clicked in, it is called J9. J9. Why? Because it is an intersection of the column J and the ninth row. That's why it is called J9. And here we have a name box. There we have a name box. So the name box will always contain the cell reference. You see J9, meaning that this is J9. If I click here, you see F9, meaning that this one is F9. If I click here, this will be A1. You see A1. So this name box will contain the cell reference. Here, this one is a formula bar. This one is a formula bar. This one is a formula bar, and it will always contain the work or anything that you type in a cell will appear in the formula bar. If I come in the cell and I type any word, let's say name, it will appear in the formula bar. It will appear in the formula bar. So what you type will always appear in the formula bar. Excel has a number of applications that are very important in editing your work. You can edit your work in any way that you want. Either you can use the home tab, you find some editing tools. You can use the insert tab, you find some editing tools, page layout. So it also has some editing tools. It also has most of the editing tools that you would like to use. So this one is a worksheet. So you may be having different data that you want to that you want to save in the same worksheet for reference. So if you have a single data and you want to put it on one worksheet, then you have another data that you would like it to be on another worksheet. You come here down, you say plus worksheet 2, they will give you sheet 2. You can also put sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. depending on the type of data, the number that you have. Now, when I collect very many worksheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, I form what we call a workbook. That's why Excel is called Excel workbook, because it may contain very many sheets, very many worksheets. So, if you want to save Excel, you come here and click File, then you say Save As. I want to save on this PC, I want to save it on desktop, and you type in what you want to save it, book 1, just say save. They will have saved your work as book 1. So next time we shall talk about how we can manipulate data in Excel. Shall talk about how we can manipulate data in Excel. So ensure you come and see how we use the formulas, how we enter data, how we format different data. It will always, you are going to find it in my next video on Excel. Thank you.